Next up, Wanted Man for Gunny. In this, we need to locate intel about the prisoner and report back to Gunny. This one you'll be doing yet again at Fort Narith, all the way over here in the main headquarters building. There's tons of AI in the area, they're heavily armored and very angry. You can do this solo, you just need to be slow and methodical. I've gone ahead and entered the center of the building right over here, so in the middle, northeast side of the building. This is where I've come in after fighting my way through thousands and thousands of AI. After we come in the center over here, we'll be heading right over here towards Office 1-3. So reception, no, library, Office 1-3. So it's the last door to the right, just before these double doors here. Coming to this room, you'll find it just over here on the table, the interrogation orders. Simply pick this up and take them back to base in order to complete this relatively simple mission. So anyways, that's been Wanted Man. Thank you all for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.